So, hi, coming to the assignment one of data analytics with Python. And let's see the questions one by one. Which of the following is never possible for variance? Large than the standard deviation. And definition M data. Difference is equal to max data minus min data, return difference. It is in Python programming, this data function is will calculate the range. Bar charts are used for categorical data and frequency polygons are used for categorical data, and mu is an example of which of the following? A population parameter. Consider the following statement. Statement A. To flatten the data frame, you can use the reset index. Statement B. Use the ununique to get counts of unique values in the panda series. B is correct, A is false. Coming to the seventh question, which of the following statement is in context of drawing an excellent graph is false? All axes should not be properly labeled. Which of the following is not a measure of dispersion? Skewness. I assume you are given two lists A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B 6, 7, 8, 9. The task to create a list which have all the elements of A and B in one dimension. So here A dot extend B, which gives all the elements of A and B. State the following true or false. Bimodal data sets contains more than two modes. False. So now you can submit your answers. Once assignment is submitted, you'll receive a message like assessment is submitted. So that's all for the assignment one. Let's meet in the assignment two. Thank you.